is open it up. I'm having to do this with one hand, and so the plastic is off in the box. It's inside. It's one box on top of being and another one. Okay, let me open this up. I'll be right back. Huh. So it comes in one of these bags, kind of like the ones that you have for the Louis Vuitton. Ooh, let me pull it out and let's see what is in there. And here it is. Oh my goodness, it does, just from the feel of it, it really does feel nice. It smells like leather. Three pockets right here. There's a three, no, I'm sorry, 4 pockets. Here's one, here's 2, 3, and 4. I want you to see the leather. It's a pocket. This is the ring cover. This is a little piece of cardstock. Actually, not even cardstock. It's thinner than cardstock. This is a fly leaf. I'm used to doing this. Fly leaf. And this is an elastic pen loop. And it's got 3 pockets here. It does come with quite a bit of paper, and that's what it says on the top. And it does come with quite a bit of it, actually. Oh, look, there's the screws. Right there. So you can take the rings off. 2 pockets, a cover for the zipper. Let's see if this zipper slides pretty easily, and you have a pretty decent sized pocket. Another pen loop that is an elastic too, and of course the top pocket at the top. Well, guys, this is the blue and orange. This was the last one that I saw. They do have the croc, which I don't own any croc. The croc, I think is what the way they call them, but I may consider getting it depending on the feel. I'm happy that I got this one. I wanted a black one, I wanted the brown one, I wanted the red one, and unfortunately they were all sold out of those. I have emailed the owner, or Moterm, to see if they're going to be restocking them. But in the meantime, I'm going to enjoy this one. The color's not bad. Definitely the orange. It looks like orange. It says orange, but I think it's more closer to a brown. And the stitching, I want you to see the stitching. It's not perfect, I don't think, It's perfect. I mean, what I mean by not perfect is you can see some of these little pieces here, but in general, I think this is great. Alright guys, thank you for the unboxing, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.